Again?
Omar Herrera, he's an inmate, so we're not asking to reset it, we just recall it.
Okay.
And I don't know,
Is he on the docket today?
yes,
All right.
it was gonna be a plea, and it looks like the report won't be made in time.
So when do you all want to recall this for disposition?
If it's sometime this week.
Yeah, I imagine he'll get it close within the next day or so. He's actively working on it.
You all want to say Thursday?
That would be great.
All right. Is that good? All right, Ms. Ferguson, on Omar Herrera,
Yes.
if that can be recalled for Thursday.
Yes. All right.
And probation, there's no application in this case. Court is calling 2025 CR 008600 State versus Jacob Andrew Andrade. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Joseph Davidson standing in for Monica Guerrero. Mr. Andrade, will I have permission to do this in place of Ms. Guerrero? Your permission?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. So counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
We have,
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Andrade, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes.
All right, so Mr. Andrade, I'm gonna need you to speak up a little bit so that the court reporter can hear, okay? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We're reading the read.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Andrade, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Do you understand you're charged with robbery? That's a second degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
yes,
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes,
Off the record for a moment. Ms. Shaw, if you go to breakout room number 1, that's where your client and Mr. Bonk is.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, we're back on the record. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Andrade, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
no,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes,
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor, and with credit for time served.
All right. State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
yes,
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes,
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest,
State any evidence?
State offer states 1 in attachments.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, he wishes to do his time. He is asking for his back time credits. We have this agreement. We hope that he follows it.
All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 4 years in the prison. You'll receive credit for any time that you've been in custody. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to be no contact with Family Dollar
At that particular
at
location.
402 Southwest W White Road, 78219. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, you're gonna have to make better decisions, otherwise you're gonna find yourself in and out of prison. Good luck to you. Hello. Why were you late for court?
Rush in the morning. Well, I'm staying in a hotel in the morning and had to get all my
I'm
stuff out.
sorry, what?
I'm staying in a hotel right now. I had to get all my things out.
All right, you have a number of cases on this docket. You cannot be late for court. Do you understand? All right, what is happening with all of these cases?
Your Honor, the last time we were here, we entered a plea, he was placed on probation.
Mhm.
He was given 10-day jail sanction, which he's completed already. He was ordered to pay restitution on part of the restitution the last time we were hearing forth. And then we have the final sum of restitution that we are in agreement
Can I
with.
see the file on this, please? All right, so if y'all can step back a minute so they can get the information on this restitution issue, okay?
Okay.
Who else? All right, so we're here for a restitution hearing. So is there restitution amounts or no?
Yes, Judge, there is a restitution amount for the cause number ending in 7396. This is to Mark Crofton with, after discussing with defense, the amount is agreed upon for $1,112.
Okay, just 1 second. So probation, there's an agreed restitution to Mark Crofton, Crofton. And could you repeat that?
Yes, $1,112.
Okay. And then in the cause number ending in 06?
06, that is waived at this time.
All right, so in cause number ending in 06, restitution is waived. And then in cause number ending in 97?
97, Your Honor, that is waived as well.
All right, when will you be able to pay the restitution in 96?
2 days.
All right,
2 days puts us at Saturday, Monday.
Monday.
all right, so probation. He's stating, let's just do this. Ms. Abrams, he'll be able to pay it by November 4th. And he'll pay the full amount. All right, is there anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. If you'll see probation before you leave, then you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Judge Bevins.
Told me you were looking for me. I thought you were coming down to try a case. All right, so we're gonna recall this in 2 weeks. That's it, 2 weeks. Ms. Ferguson, I need a 2-week reset. All right, that's gonna be your plea deadline date. All right,
Yes, Your Honor.
And there'll be no further extensions. All right, thank you.
Judge.
Yes. All right, who else? Hilo,
Yes.
Kimliker.
Present judge.
Hi. All right. So is everything okay with you now? All right, so where are we on discovery? Because I know at one point he was in the hospital, then you were in jury trial, so this is sort of the beginning of things.
Oh, no, I think.
Ah, that's what it said.
The previous court appointed
Attorney was in the hospital, yes. All right, so what is happening with this case?
Been getting discovery, Judge. It seemed, the state, excuse me.
No problem.
The state let me know that there was a pending charge that was just indicted.
Mhm.
On this case, and so I think that's gonna supersede the current two charges.
All right, and Norma, if you can make sure that he is on the new case.
Thought you.
Are you already on that case?
Not Judge, only because I'm not on the list for capitals,
Mhm.
but I can still be as.
Well, I would like to keep you on. Let me see. Just one moment. If you'll have a seat, please. Hello. All right, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
All right, so the state has tendered a dismissal in your case. So I will sign it. And unless there's another reason that's holding you at the Bear County Jail, you will be released. But if there's some other case or if there's a parole hold or something, you will remain in custody, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you.
See me again.
All right, yes, don't come again unless it's just to say hi, all right?
All right, before take
Thank you.
Have a great day.
All right, you too. Who's next? Andre Middlebrooks.
Good evening, Stephanie. Boy, how you doing, young?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
Could be better, could be worse, you know. Maintaining.
All right, has the evaluation been signed?
No, Your Honor. I filed a motion to sign on both of those, earlier today. But we need referral over to the criminal magistrate court.
All right, so that's been filed today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because,
Give me an envelope number if you needed it, but
yeah. Okay. All right, Norma, recall this back at the beginning of December.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, so we're going to bring you back on December 1st to make sure that you're not lost in the system.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.
You have a beautiful day, man.
Oh, you too. Thank you so much. All right, so the plea deadline date for him was October 28th.
Correct, Judge.
Where are we on that?
We need to move towards trial, Judge.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date for Mr. Garcia.
That's fine, Judge.
All right, your jury trial date will be December 9th.
We did also want to address
Violation,
The violation report,
yes,
violation issues, as the court knows, I was in jury selection,
yes.
wasn't able to do that. Judge, given that I wasn't here when you made a ruling on that, we were trying to figure out exactly what the court had ruled.
I had issued a judge's warrant, and part of the reason for the judge's warrant were, we were supposed to hear the violation report. Then he left, then he came back, and I think you were here and he had left, and then he didn't, then he came back later.
Well, no, what had happened was, Judge, I was here in the morning. We took a break for lunch
Mhm.
and I wasn't available in the afternoon, so Jessica Gonzalez was nice enough to step in.
Mhm.
So, what I'm asking the court to do is reconsider that judge's warrant.
Mhm.
I know that the court wants to, and we talked about some, inpatient as a condition of bond right now.
I mean, previously he was in lifetime recovery.
Yes.
And obviously that didn't work. They removed him from the program because he continued to test positive. So it's obvious he needs treatment.
Mhm.
Otherwise, it's probably not going to end well for him.
Well,
So what do we have in terms of treatment for him?
Vacation.
Well, I mean, obviously the court's looking, if we've tried outpatient, and obviously the court would be looking at inpatient.
Mhm.
It's very rarely does this come up where we have to talk about this issue on bond, so.
Yeah.
I'm right offhand, I don't know what our opportunities are.
Well, he's saying that when Jessica was here, Jessica said that he had insurance
He
and he
does.
could do that. So the question becomes whether or not he's willing to do that and
Okay.
when would that take place?
Well, just, obviously I need to confer with him and see what is.
So if you'll talk to him about when that will take place, then we'll take care of the warrant.
Okay.
Were you previously on a commercial bond?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the other thing, even though I issued a judge's warrant, I didn't issue a bond forfeiture. You may want to talk to the bondsman to make sure that if I recall the judge's warrant without objection from the state and he's going to get treatment, will they then try to come back and do that? So if you'll talk, to ask that they be let off the bond. So if you
Yes.
will talk to them about that, then we'll take care of that. All right, thank you. And Norma, if you can make sure he has a reset.
The judge was in.
All right, who else is next?
I do.
Her attorney is